Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I have a mind-blowing geometry problem that will twist your brain in the best way. We are given a right triangle with a height of 8 units and a base of 12 units. Inside this triangle, a square is placed in such a way that one of its sides lies along the height, another along the base, and its top corner touches the hypotenuse like this. Our goal is to find the area of this square. You can pause and take a moment to think about it. Alright, let us solve it together. Let us suppose the side length of the square is x. That means this vertical segment measures 8 minus x, and this horizontal segment measures 12 minus x, right? Now look at these two small right triangles formed on either side of the square. Both triangles share the same angle and are right-angled, which makes them similar. Since they are similar, we can write a proportion. 8 minus x over x is equal to x over 12 minus x. Now applying cross multiplication, this gives us x squared is equal to 8 minus x times 12 minus x. First we will expand the right-hand side. Thus we get x squared is equal to 96 minus 8, x minus 12, x plus x squared. Now subtracting x squared from both sides, and we are left with 20x is equal to 96. Dividing both sides by 20 gives x is equal to 96 over 20, which simplifies to 4.8. Now we substitute this value to find the area of the square. The area of the square is calculated by squaring its side, so area is 4.8 squared, which is equal to 23.04 square units. And that is our final answer. Pretty cool, right? But wait. Before you go, I have bonus challenge for you. Can you express the area of this square in terms of variables, say a and b, instead of the specific numbers? Think it through and drop your answer in the comments. And if you enjoyed this explanation and learned something new, do not forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more brain-teasing math puzzles. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.